Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Matepad Paper. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter biometrics and password. Firstly, let's go to fingerprint ID. Set up your PIN number. And now select Unlock Device. Now, place your finger tip on the fingerprint sensor located on the top right edge of the tab. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now tap OK, lock the device, and now you can unlock it by the fingerprint. Next, let's go to Change Lock Screen Password, enter your current PIN, select Change Unlock Method, and as you can see, we can select between 6-digit PIN, 4-digit PIN, and custom PIN. Let's skip the PIN section because we've already done that, and now let's select password. The only difference between 6-digit PIN, 4-digit PIN and custom PIN is the length of the code. Now enter password containing at least 4 characters. And now you can use password to unlock the tab. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.